Good morning. We're about to push off, get started this morning. It's another early morning. We start off early in the morning to beat the heat. This day was one of my favorite sunrises, so you're going to get a lot of footage of that. It was beautiful. The coyote's talking. Our next stop on our way to Tehachapi is Robinbird Spring. It's going to be a great day. Another hot one, a little more elevation climbing today. So I got off on an early start. Here's my views. Anyway, I gotta go crank out a couple of miles, about 5, to get to the top of this climb. And then it'll be up and down the rest of the way today. Hopefully it stays gradual like this. This is my favorite kind of hiking. Easy going uphill. Early in the morning with nice views. Looks like I'm making it to the top of my first climb. Same view I've had all day, but it's beautiful. Here it is again. Without the sunrise. In the distance, I can see the windmills. Tehachapi has the windmills, and that's where I'm headed. A third of a mile and 300 feet down, I'll be at camp. I'll keep you posted on the views. Here's a recap of today's sunrise. It was gorgeous. Enjoy. Get outside and enjoy your day. See you on the next one.